Woolen industry. The industry was started as a cottage industry and now it has developed into an important big industry. It has developed in Punjab, main center Ludhiana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Jamnagar, Ahmedabad, and Haryana. Students, in India, woolen industry started as a cottage industry, but now it has grown into a big industry. Ludhiana in Punjab is the main center of this industry. Woolen industry in India has developed mainly in Punjab and Haryana. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Dhariwal, Chandigarh are the main centers of woolen industry. This industry has also developed in Kanpur, Solapur, Bengaluru, Jamnagar, Baroda, and Ahmedabad. Sugar industry. Which crop is required to prepare sugar? Sugarcane juice is required to make sugar. Sugar industry is mainly developed in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Students, sugarcane crop is required to make sugar. Sugar is produced from sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh produces largest quantity of sugarcane. Sugar industry is developed in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Punjab, Bihar, etc. Cement industry. Which minerals are required for cement industry? Students, limestone is required for cement industry. Where is cement used? Cement is used in construction of houses, bridges, dams, roads, etc. In recent years, the cement industry has rapidly developed in India. The states like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. are known for cement industry. Students, cement is made from limestone. Cement is used in building houses, roads, bridges, dams, etc. Recently, the cement industry has developed quite well in India. Cement industries are mainly located at Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Paper industry. Paper is used daily by everyone. In India, the paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat. Paper used in newspapers is made in Nepanagar, Madhya Pradesh. The currency note paper is made in Hoshangabad and Devas. Students, paper is used daily by everyone. In India, the paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, etc. The paper which is used in newspaper is made in Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh, and the paper which is used in making currency note is made in Hoshangabad and Devas. Iron steel industry. From small nails to huge machinery and their spare parts, everything is made by iron and steel industries. Things to know. The iron and steel industries in India are located in Bhilai, Madhya Pradesh, Bokaro, Bihar, Bhadravati, Karnataka, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, etc. Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Students, iron and steel industry falls in the category of heavy industry. Iron industry produces everything from nails to huge machineries. Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industries in India are located in Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh state, Bokaro in Bihar state, Bhadravati in Karnataka state, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand state, and many more. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.